Set that there's not real music on there. What do you to say? Thank you. And tier 3 is a big deal. I appreciate that as well. You're a real sweetheart.
Why?
Now, what I have to do is some exercise. Before I go, I might as well make
No.
and we can also get two birds with one stone kind of thing. It shouldn't take too long. And now we start doing this. I want a cigarette. I know I'm out of breath, but I have to smoke this cigarette. You gotta understand. I can get my or my strength. The fitness can come later, I think. Having our strength up would be a huge help.
God!
Just chill out. Based on this song, alright, they gave us a bunch of other songs based on this one, so I'm gonna just put those on. If you like Fortnite, jump up and down. You guys like Fortnite? I really like that scene of Willem Dafoe, and he's like, he says Fortnite, and then starts laughing like a maniac. I'm actually a big fan of that one. What did he mean by this?
You're so cute. You're mine.
The snow is melting. What's happening? The snow is melting. At long last. The pain is setting in. Okay, which means it's just gonna get warmer. And the problem will continue. Of what the fuck do we wear? Summer's gonna be really hot. Summer's going to be miserable. mushroom soup. How's my weight? Going up still? Let's have another.
I owed him
Mushroom soup and corn.
What?